Bob Jr. going to go 15 laps, only one to do it. Ezra goes 14:01. Don goes third overall. Then Scott, then Mallory, your top 5. Race number 6 is our stadium trucks. Ryan Gamber, Mark Baldwin, Brent Morgan. Should be a thriller. Only 3 trucks, but maybe a fair fight. Maybe. I should have brought my truck. Could have escaped the booth and whatever's happening in here. I just feel like there's a weight on me today. You know what I mean?
Magnet.
Oh boy, we're gonna need a paper towel for that. Blackberries make a mess. If you didn't know, if you were unaware. Yes, always. Kind of her thing.
Stop begging.
So race number 6, our stadium trucks, getting our marshals from 5 back out there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Glad on some tires I didn't practice on.
What are those?
Ryan off to bulk up camber.
Drivers, go ahead and roll them. Whoa! That was intentional, dock them.
BR3EENT.
Yeah, Henry, go ahead. Just wipe the blackberry juice on my pants. It's fine. Thanks. All right, we are all checked in. Drivers, next time you cross, your 5 minutes begin. Gamber going for the sick little kickflip back there. And away we go.
First.
Brent gonna open up with a 25 flat right there.
I'm not gonna back it.
Third. Second.
Baldwin gonna pull the hot lap down to a 24.4.
Second. First.
Gamber leading the way on pace. Oh, now Morgan gonna take it back over. Everybody on a low 12, so this is a fair fight for sure. 12.06 for Brent, 12.07 for Gamber, 12.10 for Baldwin. Could be a good one. Coming up next, race number 7 is 4-wheel drive trucks, whether that be a short course or a mini truckie. If it's a 4-wheel drive truck, you're in the next heat. And then we'll close out the round with 2 heats of e-buggies. A 9-heat day means that a round should take us a little over an hour, and right now that seems like it's going to hold to be true. General rule of thumb is about 8 minutes per heat. How long it takes us.
Second.
I had a little lantern fly incident there, Mark. It's all yours.
Dude, I had one crawling up my shorts with a buggy race.
Oh my gosh.
Well, no, the whole 8-minute main.
Holy crap.
Yeah, I'll tell you about that.
First.
I'm not certain what we're going to do for track maintenance until I see the e-buggy on this thing. Not sure if we can let it ride or not.
Second.
Wow, that's a hell of a push over there.
First.
Baldwin now out front, 12.04. He's working his way toward the 13. Had a slightly longer first lap, and then just 24, 25, 24, 24, 24, 24. pumping him in. Three and a half down, 1.5 left to go in this one. Baldwin a 1 second lead over Brent. Gamber falling back a little bit. Had a 44-second lap. That's not quite long enough for it to be 2 laps. Interesting. Now Brent's losing a wire. How fun.
Thomas, Gamber bought the ball cup. Imagine that.
Oh wow, Losi Ball Cup, crazy. No, Gamber was a Losi Ball Cup.
Again? No, earlier. Thomas just catching up.
So, yeah, I'm just a little behind the times here. I've become a bit of a jungle gym. .410 to go, 50 seconds left. Baldwin just putting in 24 after 24. Other than that 26. We're going to pretend that didn't happen. Gamber gets into 24s now. Hit a 24.9 3 laps ago and a 24.8 that time by. So everybody into the 24s, although Brent's no longer here. In my head, Brent's still supposed to like have some sort of issue in every race, but I think that's like a remnant from the Spectrum days. What a nice normal finish zone that is. Paul. Baldwin is done at 12:01.
All drivers are
23.9 was the last lap, fast lap for Baldwin, so gets us into the 23s here for truck. And Gamber is done with a 11:03.